Hello again, good evening. Well, after a fairly settled start to the weekend, sitting under high pressure, are we going to have a lovely sunny week ahead? Well, the short answer is probably not. High pressure, of course, does usually mean it's going to be dry and settled, but although we associate it with seeing more sunshine, that's not always the case, and this is one of those ones in question. In fact, I think fog is going to be a bit more of a problem, certainly over the next couple of nights, and more cloud building as we head through the course of the week. So yes, high pressure's keeping things settled. There's not really much wind out there, but with clearer skies through the course of this evening, so we'll start to see some mist and fog forming as the temperatures drop. So that's the main thing to note at the moment. With the clearer skies, temperatures down to maybe just 3 or 4 Celsius in more rural spots, and so that means we could get some quite dense patches of mist and fog forming by the early hours of the morning. So a little bit of a slow start to the day. Temperatures are starting off at around 6 or 7 in the larger towns and cities, and sunrise is at 7:30 and sunset is at 6:20 in the evening. But once the mist and fog starts to lift and break, we will see, I think, a brighter day in prospect. The wind direction is subtly different, so hopefully we'll see a bit more sunshine than we had today. And in the afternoon, sunshine, temperatures getting up to 15 or 16 Celsius, maybe the odd 17 if we're lucky. But a repeat performance through Sunday night into Monday. So again, the risk of some mist and fog patches forming for the early hours, and that'll linger for a while into Monday morning. Rather more cloud, I think, so sunshine at a bit more of a premium, and then the high pressure doesn't really go anywhere through the course of this week, but it will start to pull in increasing amounts of cloud. So that means two things. Yes, it'll be more overcast, but it'll be less chilly at night.